Hi everyone. Today we're going to study angle sum property of polygons. We learned that the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Let's put this in a table. This is a triangle. It has three sides and the angle sum is 180 degrees. In connection with this value, let's see quadrilaterals. There are four sides. The angle sum is 2 times 180 degrees. It seems that the number of sides, which is 4, minus 2, multiplied by 180 degrees. And the answer is 360 degrees. By then, we say that the sum of angles of quadrilaterals is 360 degrees. What about pentagon? There are 5 sides. The formula is 3 times 180 degrees. That is the number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees. And this product gives us 540 degrees. Therefore, the sum of angles of pentagon is 540 degrees. What about hexagon? There are 6 sides. Our formula is 4 times 180 degrees. So the number of sides, which is 6, minus 2, multiplied by 180 degrees. And the product here is 720 degrees. Therefore, for the hexagon, the sum of angles is 720 degrees. In general, we say that for a polygon of n sides, the sum of all angles is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Examples: find the angle x in the following figures. This is figure A. This is a quadrilateral. We know that the sum of all angles equals 360 degrees. So let us solve for x. We add 50 degrees plus 130 degrees plus 120 degrees plus this x angle. Total is 360 degrees. The sum of 50 degrees, 130 degrees, 120 degrees is 300 degrees. Then plus x equals 360 degrees. We transpose 300 degrees to the right, so we have x on the left equals 360 degrees minus 300 degrees. And the difference is 60 degrees. This is the value of the angle x. This is figure B. We have here a quadrilateral. We know that the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Look at our figure. There is a missing angle. Adjacent to the missing angle is a right angle, which is 90 degrees. Since the missing angle and this angle here is 90 degrees, that means the missing angle is also 90 degrees. They are complementary. Now we can solve for x. We add 70 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 90 degrees plus x equals 360 degrees. Then we combine 70 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees as 220 degrees plus x equals 360 degrees. We transpose this 220 degrees to the right. So x on the left equals the right side 360 degrees minus 220 degrees. And the difference is 140 degrees. This is the angle x. Figure C. This is a regular pentagon. By the symbol that we see here, We say that the sides are equal and the angles are equal. We know that the sum of all angles equals 540 degrees. We set this angle to be x. That means all the angles are x. So we can write 5x equals 540 degrees. Solving for x, we divide this equation by the coefficient of x, which is 5. When we do that, 5 comes down here as denominator. So x on the left equals 540 degrees divided by 5. And x equals 108 degrees. This is the angle x. Figure D. Let us find x plus y plus z. We can see that the closed figure is a triangle, and the sum of all angles of a triangle equals 180 degrees. In a triangle, there is a missing angle. Let's name this as A. We can solve for A by adding all the angles equals 180 degrees. So we write 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus this angle A equals 180 degrees. 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is 120 degrees plus A equals 180 degrees. We transpose 120 degrees to the right side. So A equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. And the difference is 60 degrees. For this angle A, we can substitute now the value 60 degrees. Let us now solve for x, y, z, and we will get the sum. Notice that the x plus 90 degrees, the z plus 30 degrees, the y plus 60 degrees are complementary. That means all these sums equals 180 degrees, referring to a straight angle. Now let's solve for x, z, and y respectively. For the x, we transpose this 90 degrees to the right. So 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, x value is 90 degrees. What about the z? This 30 degrees we transpose to the right. So 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, that is the value of z, equals 150 degrees. And the y plus 60 degrees equals 180 degrees. We transpose 60 degrees to the right. So that will be subtracted from 180 degrees. So the value of y is 120 degrees. So we put now the sum x plus y plus z. Let's now substitute the values. So we have 90 degrees plus 120 degrees plus 150 degrees. And the total is 360 degrees.